We are test number 2. Hopefully we get a little bit more action. First hole on the bottom is from the first video. This, shaky today, this should be a good shot. Ready when you are. Where'd it hit?
To the right.
Hit the tree?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that one worked. That's good. We'll investigate. You got how many shots you got in there?
3.
Alright.
The ball fell off the other one.
Oh no. Alright, well, it might be the mold situation as well.
Have to wrap something around it and then stuff it in there.
Good old Jensen. DVD player.
Right.
See if we can put a hole in it this time around. Shook it. We'll see what happened. Alright, here's the first shot there on the bottom. Here's our second shot there. Actually, that's the first shot on the tree. Sorry, tree. You'll be alright. A little bit apart. There's the projectile. Again. It's burnt though.
Mm-hmm. Because it moved and then went bang.
Let's see.
Here, I got one of these other ones.
Right there. Just a little bit of damage. Still not working the right way. Alright, now we set it up with the screen open so we can see if we can just get a nice, pretty screen crack. So fire it, Will.
That one was nice.
That one went boom like it should have. Shooting a little high. There's a new pistol. Right in there. Here's said tree. But that one worked the way it was supposed to. Test number 3 is success.